Hello friends! In today's video, we're showcasing the top 10 new kitchen gadgets that every home cook needs. From time-saving tools to high-tech appliances, these gadgets will take your cooking game to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest kitchen innovations. Thanks. Let's start the video.
Electric slow cooker. The electric slow cooker is a convenient kitchen appliance designed to simplify meal preparation by cooking your favorite dishes slowly and evenly. Perfect for busy lifestyles, it allows you to set it and forget it, gently simmering ingredients over hours to create flavorful, tender meals with minimal effort. Ideal for soups, stews, roasts, and more, this slow cooker ensures consistent, delicious results every time. Featuring multiple heat settings, including low, high, and warm, you can customize the cooking process to suit your schedule and recipe needs. The removable, dishwasher-safe stoneware pot makes serving and cleaning up a breeze. The transparent lid lets you monitor your cooking without releasing heat, preserving moisture and flavor. With its sleek design and reliable performance, the electric slow cooker is an essential tool for anyone looking to enjoy home-cooked meals with ease.
Food kitchen scale. The food kitchen scale is an essential tool for precise measurement in the kitchen, helping you achieve perfect results in your cooking and baking. Designed for accuracy and ease of use, this scale features a clear, easy-to-read digital display that shows measurements in grams, ounces, pounds, and kilograms. With its high-precision sensors, it ensures exact measurements, whether you're portioning ingredients or following detailed recipes. The scale typically includes a tare function, allowing you to subtract the weight of containers for accurate ingredient measurements. Its sleek, compact design makes it easy to store and clean, with a durable, easy-to-wipe surface. Ideal for both everyday use and special baking projects, the food kitchen scale ensures that you measure ingredients with confidence and precision.
Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet Blender is a compact and versatile kitchen tool designed for quick and easy meal prep. With its powerful motor and sharp cross-blade design, it effortlessly blends, chops, and grinds a variety of ingredients in seconds. Whether you're making smoothies, sauces, dips, or even grinding coffee beans, the Magic Bullet handles it all with ease. The blender's simple one-touch operation makes it user-friendly, while its space-saving design fits neatly on any countertop. It comes with a variety of cups and lids, allowing you to blend directly in the cup you'll use for drinking or storage, reducing cleanup time. The Magic Bullet Blender is perfect for those who want fast, efficient blending in a compact, easy-to-use package, making it a must-have for any kitchen.
The Black-Decker EM720CB7 Digital microwave oven is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for convenience and efficiency. With a 0.7 cubic foot capacity, this compact microwave is perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or offices. It features a powerful 700-watt output for quick and even heating. The digital control panel offers easy-to-use functions, including pre-programmed settings for popular foods like popcorn, pizza, and frozen vegetables. A large LED display and a simple touchpad interface make it user-friendly, while the 10 power levels allow precise control over cooking. The microwave also includes a child safety lock, an interior light, and a removable glass turntable for easy cleaning. With its sleek stainless steel design, the Black-Decker EM720CB7 not only performs well, but also adds a modern touch to any kitchen.
Toaster oven. The toaster oven is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the functions of a toaster and a traditional oven in one compact unit. Ideal for small spaces, this appliance can toast, bake, broil, and reheat with ease. Its spacious interior accommodates multiple slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or various other dishes, making it perfect for quick meals or snacks. The adjustable temperature control and multiple cooking settings allow you to achieve perfect results every time, whether you're toasting bagels, baking cookies, or broiling chicken. The easy-to-read timer and automatic shut-off feature ensure safety and prevent overcooking. The removable crumb tray and non-stick interior make cleanup simple and hassle-free. With its sleek design and multifunctional capabilities, the toaster oven is an essential addition to any kitchen.
Carafe Coffee Maker. The Carafe Coffee Maker is a reliable and efficient appliance designed for brewing rich and flavorful coffee. With its large capacity carafe, it's perfect for serving multiple cups, whether for your morning routine or entertaining guests. The coffee maker features a programmable timer, allowing you to wake up to freshly brewed coffee. Its user-friendly control panel offers easy customization, including options for brew strength and the number of cups. The carafe is designed to keep your coffee hot for hours without compromising flavor, thanks to its insulated design. The drip-free spout ensures a clean pour, while the removable filter basket makes cleanup quick and easy. With a sleek design that complements any kitchen, the carafe coffee maker combines style and functionality to deliver a perfect cup of coffee every time.
Kitchen Sauté Fry Pan. The Kitchen Sauté Fry Pan is an essential tool for any home cook, offering versatility and convenience in the kitchen. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, this fry pan is designed to deliver even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals every time. Its non-stick surface ensures easy food release and hassle-free cleaning, making it ideal for sautéing, frying, and searing a wide variety of dishes. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip and stays cool to the touch, ensuring safe handling during cooking. Suitable for use on all stovetops, including induction, the kitchen's sauté fry pan is oven-safe, allowing for seamless transitions from stovetop to oven. Whether you're preparing a quick weeknight dinner or an elaborate meal, this fry pan is a reliable and versatile addition to any kitchen.
Air fryer. The air fryer is a modern kitchen appliance designed to cook your favorite foods with less oil, offering a healthier alternative to traditional frying. Using rapid air circulation technology, it crisps and cooks food evenly, delivering delicious results with up to 80% less fat. Perfect for frying, baking, roasting, and grilling, this versatile appliance can prepare everything from crispy fries to juicy chicken wings. The digital control panel makes it easy to select the right temperature and cooking time, while preset programs simplify the process for popular dishes. Its spacious basket can accommodate large portions, making it ideal for family meals. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe components ensure quick and easy cleanup. With its sleek, compact design, the air fryer is a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen, helping you enjoy guilt-free, flavorful meals every day.
Electric countertop double burner. Upgrade your cooking experience with our electric countertop double burner. This compact yet powerful appliance features 2 independently controlled burners, allowing you to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. The sleek stainless steel design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor, while the durable, easy-to-clean surfaces ensure long-lasting use. With adjustable temperature settings, you can easily simmer, boil, or sauté your favorite meals, perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or as an extra cooking station for large gatherings. Enjoy the convenience of cooking anywhere with this versatile double burner. Is there anything specific you'd like to adjust or emphasize in this description?
Portable blender cordless. The portable blender, cordless, is the perfect companion for those on the go, offering convenience and versatility in a compact design. This blender is ideal for making smoothies, shakes, and other blended beverages anywhere, anytime. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it eliminates the need for outlets, making it perfect for travel, outdoor activities, or quick use at home. The powerful motor and sharp stainless steel blades ensure smooth blending of fruits, vegetables, and ice. With a simple one-touch operation, it's easy to use, and the detachable design makes cleaning a breeze. The blender also features a safety mechanism that prevents operation when the jar isn't properly secured. Lightweight and easy to carry, the portable blender, cordless, fits easily into bags or backpacks, making healthy and delicious drinks accessible wherever you are.